Hello guys, my name is Faltraun. In this video we are going to build a $1000 gaming PC. Yes guys, it's not a full exactly under $1000 or a full $1000. It's like $1050 like of build, and in this build we are going to be featuring a quad-core processor with hyper-threading, some of the nice components, and let's get into the video. So for the processor we are going with the i7 6700k. Yes guys, I have bumped in i7 6700k at a price tag of $299 with 99 cents. Means $300 for the CPU, and guys, I'm just left with more $700 for the other parts. But don't worry, you're going to be getting a very nice PC, and at the end you'll be very happy with the result. And for the CPU cooler, I'm going with the best budget CPU cooler out there. Is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. I know a lot of you guys might be thinking that it's overdone, but guys, that's a nice CPU cooler, will give you overclocking compatibility and many more things. And for the motherboard, I went with MSI Z178 Pro ATX motherboard. It retails around $75, and it's a nice motherboard to be handled. And it has a Z170 chipset, you could overclock it. Also, it has an M.2 slot. So in future you want to upgrade to M.2 SSD, as the new Samsung 960 Pro SSDs are out, you could upgrade to an SSD too, or M.2 SSD. And guys, for the memory, of xXGet Core series 16GB 8x2GB kit, and it's clocked at DDR4 2400 MHz. It's a nice RAM to have a xXGet Core series, and it's a core series. It has LED illumination on it, means it has a red LED on it, and it looks just beautiful. It's a nice RAM to have on your build, and those LEDs, when they blink, and they are just beauty of the RAM. And 16 gigs is enough to render videos and do multitasking work, and 16 gigs is enough. And for the storage guys, you all might be in your mind that he has gone with just a Piston Digital Caviar Blue or maybe Seagate Barracuda hard drive. No guys, I bumped in an SSD. Yes guys, I bumped in a SanDisk SSD plus 480GB solid state drive for $100. Yes guys, this is SanDisk SSD. I spent one-tenth part of my budget on the SSD. Guys, I went on with 480GB SSD because it will be a lot of roomy. In future you will have an option to upgrade to a 2TB to 1TB hard drive to store your extra files, and 480 gigs you could install your OS on it, the various software for editing and all that kind of stuff, and plus games. And guys, why SSD? Because it just speeds up all aspects of your PC, so why not upgrade to an SSD guys? And that's why I went with the 480GB, so that you never feel short of the storage. And guys, for the video card, you might be thinking here I'm going for a lower end graphics card, maybe GTX 970 or maybe GTX 1060, but not guys. This is the MSI GeForce GTX 1070 8GB video card. It retails around $400. Yes guys, I bought this graphics card for $400. It isn't the bad graphics card, and GTX 1070 you could do a VR gaming on it, and it's also an i7 6700k. It is a gaming edition of these graphics card. Why not go for these guys? Also 8GB, and the many benchmarks have just crushed the GTX 970, and it's neck to neck to GTX 980 Ti. For the case guys, we are going with the NZXT S340 black and red ATX mid tower case. For $66, it isn't a bad case, and black and red, the theme you have come to know. And this is the black and red theme build guide. This is a nice case to have on, and it is NZXT guys. You will get all the quality and that black and red illumination of the case, the painted NZXT logo, and on the upper top it just looks beautiful, and such a beautiful layout. Many will recommend you NZXT S340. It's not the elite version, but still it looks good. It has a large windowed side panel and also a power supply shroud there. You could add NZXT Hue Plus and your build will just look beautiful. For power supply, where we have just saved most bang here. and we are just spending $20 on a PSU. And guys, don't get me wrong, this is an 80 plus certified, this is an 80 plus bronze certified semi-modular ATX power supply from Roseville. Yes guys, for $20 you are getting all these things. It's just 500 watts and it's just nice power supply to have on. It has all the connectors you need. I know you think that it's just 500 watt, I can't SLI my GPU, I can't just overclock that much. But guys, you could go for an 850 watt power supply if you wanna SLI your video card, overclock them, and also overclock your 6700K. But for my budget build guide, this was the best power supply for it, and for $20 you can't get wrong with this PSU guys. And if you put all this thing together, this will just look beautiful. A quad core chip paired up with just a budgeted, we can't say it a cheap CPU cooler, it's a budget CPU cooler, it's a nice CPU cooler. A nice motherboard to have on, and the LED RAM guys. So this is the generation of LEDs, and that SSD which speeds up all aspects of your PC, and also it's a 480 gig, a newer and the nicer video card, GTX 1070 8GB video card. Case, a nice case to have on with the xXGet 340 black and red, and a nice power supply. All that put together will just give you a beautiful system guys. And many of these parts were being the part of the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday, and they all just look good. At the base total they go on for $1,106.81, means 81 cents. So this is the base total, but after mail-in rebate you will get $1,051.81. I wish guys you enjoyed this video. Make sure give this video a nice thumbs up, and let's hope for the 45 likes on this video. I think I could do that, 45 likes on this video. And make sure to subscribe down, throw the i7 processor on it, just throw the motherboard in, or just throw a monitor on it, do anything what you gonna do, but please subscribe the channel and make sure you check out my all other videos. That's for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys later.